Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the coolest products for kids, parents, and everyone in between. Today, we're checking out what we believe is hands down the best baby bumper car on the market, the TOBBI Snail Baby Bumper Car. It's a 12 volts electric ride-on toy that packs safety, fun, creativity, and control all into one adorable snail-shaped design. So, whether you're shopping for a toddler's birthday or looking for the next big holiday gift, this one deserves a serious look. Let's start with the design. The first thing you'll notice is that this isn't just another toy car, it's shaped like a snail, and not just any snail. This one lights up in vibrant colors and plays music, instantly transforming an ordinary ride into a little festival of fun. It's got a charming, cartoon-like aesthetic that will capture the imagination of any child. It even includes a set of TOBBI DIY stickers so your child can personalize their ride before they take it for a spin. It's not just a toy, it becomes their creation. Now let's talk power and performance. Underneath that adorable exterior is a 12 volts 4.5 Ah battery, strong enough to keep the fun going for longer play sessions. That means more spinning, more cruising, and less waiting around for the next charge. And yes, it does 360-degree spins. Kids absolutely love this feature. It's like having your own mini amusement park ride in your driveway or living room. Safety hasn't been overlooked, either. The TOBBI Snail Bumper Car features a 4-point harness seatbelt, giving your little one snug and secure protection during every twist and turn. The soft rubber bumper surrounding the car adds an extra layer of safety for bump-friendly play. And just to reassure parents even more, it's fully ASTM certified, meeting all US toy safety standards. Let's move on to control and play options. Kids aged 3 to 9 can operate it themselves using the joystick controls located on the car's dashboard. It's intuitive and easy enough for even younger kids to grasp quickly. But here's the best part. If your child is too young or you just want to supervise their ride, you can take over using the included remote control. Adjust the speed, change directions, and keep your little racer safe while still letting them enjoy the fun. Another key feature is the music function, which really adds to the joyful experience. Whether it's background music while they drive or sound effects that enhance playtime, the audio engagement gives it that extra excitement that sets it apart from more basic ride-on toys. The car is available in several playful colors, including light blue, purple, pink, and red. So you're not limited to just one aesthetic. Whether you're buying for a boy or a girl, there's a color that's going to make their eyes light up. And TOBBI backs it all with a 1-year quality assurance guarantee. If you run into any issues, they've got your back, promising full support to ensure you get the most out of your purchase. So, to wrap it up, this bumper car is more than a toy. It's a mini experience built for laughter, safety, creativity, and all-out fun. It's easy to control, safe for toddlers, and cool enough for older kids to enjoy too. If you're looking for the best electric ride-on toy for your child, the TOBBI Snail Baby Bumper Car is our top pick. Fun, friendly, and feature-packed, we're giving it a full thumbs up here at Product Critique. Thanks for watching. If you liked this review, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments what you want us to review next. See you in the next one.